of the Most High. They try to divide us, but the rhythm is a healer. Chop, 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 chop. Barefoot on the gravel, polished leather on the store. Walking down the Babylon paths we never called our own. They build up the barrier, they stack the brick and lime, while the heartbeat of the people was waiting for the time. Shadows in the corner, yeah, we stood so far apart, with the winter in the atmosphere and ice around the heart. Just waiting for the drum, waiting for the sound to shake the heavy walls until they tumble to the ground. They told us we were too different to dance to the same beat. Said the rhythm wouldn't hold us, said the fire lacked the heat. And the music started, a thunder in the soul, and every broken vessel felt the spirit make it whole. Suddenly, one love was the only language we needed to know. Your melody was a new song, sharp like a lion's tooth. Mine was an ancient chant painted in the blue of truth. But when the bass began to bubble and the Zion drums they broke, we found a mystic frequency that satisfies the soul. The label started fading like the sun behind the hill. In the velvet of the evening, every restless tongue was still. No more them and no more us in this here dance hall tonight. Just the pulse of the creator shining like a holy light. Told us we were too different to dance to this same beat. Said the rhythm wouldn't hold us, said the fire lacked the heat. Then the music started, a thunder in the soul, and every broken vessel felt the spirit make it whole. Suddenly, one love was the only language we needed to know. It is the dialect of Jah, the syntax of the art. The healing of the nations is the moment the melodies start. From the root to the fruit, let the vibration grow. It's the only truth that a man really needs to know. Suddenly, one love was the only language we needed to know. The only language. Tell the children, speak it loud. No more barriers, no more clouds. Same heartbeat, one destiny.